Hello children, how are you? Hope all are well. Before we start this topic, please subscribe, like and more share and press red button and increase your knowledge with this educational channel. Welcome to our science fact channel, and we already know what is immune system. Now we are listening every time we are watching on TV, as the immune system. So nowadays we are listening everywhere and every time we are watching on TV, strengthen the immune system. So how can define immune system and what is immune system? Here we will discuss about immune system is very simple words. Do you know children? And what about your immune system? So here we will draw immune system diagram. This is showing immune system. We can draw in your notebook. This is a very simplest one. This is a tonsil, mucous membrane, lymphatic vessels, thymus, lymph node, skin, spleen, lymphatic vessels and bone marrow. This is the immune system diagram. This diagram of immune system of human beings. So let's start. Before we start this topic, please subscribe, like and more share and press red button. So we will come about immune system and take the topic immune system, very interesting topic, and we are listening every time nowadays and every time on watching on TV and saying and listening from ads strengthen the immune system. So how can define immune system? The immune system is a complex network of cells and proteins that defends the body against infection. You know that the immune system is include this network of cells and proteins. The immune system is include and complex network of cells and proteins that defends the body against infection. This system is called immune system. So we can say here in other words, immune system include a network of cells which are very complex form present in the immune system in our body and very complex substance in protein that defends the body against infection and against infectious bacteria and virus. So next point, the immune system keeps a record of every germ. You know that this is a very important line. The immune system keeps a record of every germ. Every germ means microbe. We can say other word germ, microbe. It has ever defeat, so it can recognize and destroy the microbe quickly if it enters the body against. We can say here it has ever defeated these germs. The immune system keeps a record of every germ and microbe. These microbe defends our body when any bacteria and virus comes from inside in our body. If it is enters, then immediately against against action from this germ and microbe. So we can say here that immune system keeps a record of every germ or microbe. It has every defeated, so it can recognize and destroy the microbe quickly if it enters the body again. So this is a diagram of immune system. You can easily draw in your notebook and increase your knowledge. Very interesting fact. We are listening every time nowadays. Strength immune system. So please increase your immunity and then keep our body safe. The immune system is a complex network. Let's revise. Immune system is a complex network of cells. You can easily note down in your notebook. The immune system is a complex network of cells and protein and defends the body against infection. The immune system keeps a record of every germ and microbe. Germ, we can say here, in other words, microbe. It has ever defeated, so it can recognize and destroy the microbe quickly if it enters the body again. When any virus and bacteria enters our body, this is against our body, infected our body from these bacteria comes from the outside. So these microbes of immune system attack and defend our body. Okay, so immune system is a very important system in our body and play important role in our body and keep our body safe from microbes, bacteria, and any type of disease come from outside. So please subscribe, like, and more share this educational science fact channel and increase your knowledge with this channel. So stay in home, be safe, think positive, do positive, and please defeat to coronavirus and take care. Bye bye. God bless. Stay tuned.